told you, don't tell Jeka. And first of all, I don't have choice because of my wife. I don't like you here. Do you think she will believe you? Old lady, you're very slow. Realize?
Hoy, Medo!
Huh?
Totoo pala yung sinasabi ng nanay ko. Akala ko gumagawa lang siya ng kwento tungkol sa'yo. Yung ganyan ka pag wala ako? How dare you? You're just pretending? What? You're hiding your real attitude?
I'm sorry.
Sorry for what? Nay, sorry kung hindi ako naniwala sa'yo. Hayop ka?
No,
Tama yung nanay ko. Huwag ka nang magsalita.
I'm just teaching her how to clean.
No. Wala kang respeto? Okay lang sana eh kung hindi mo siya irespeto bilang nanay ko. Pero bilang tao man lang. Alam mo, dapat nakinig ako sa nanay ko eh. No. I don't deserve you.
I'm sorry.
Tara, Nay. Malis na tayo dito. Demonyo ka.
No.